little bit. What? Oh,
Alright, take the black screws out first.
Okay.
Alright, now you're going to need to turn it this way.
Okay. And move the screwdriver.
Now that you got that, now you can slide. You can grab this panel right here and pull it this way. Pull it
This way.
towards me. Pull it. Alright. So that takes the side off. Now you can see the guts.
Ooh, it's dusty.
Yep. Alright. What do you want to take off? Alright, now you can also take the front panel off here by just pulling these tabs. And that lets you take the front off.
That's also very dusty.
Well, that's just, yeah, you got to clean computers. So now you can get to the hard drives. So to take the hard drive off, you also need to take take those screws out too.
I'm gonna have to use this one.
I don't think that panel comes off. Yeah, so you don't need to take that panel off, but just in case you need to pull it all apart later, that's why you took it off. All right. Now, if you want to try to take one of the drives out, so these are the disk drives, you can loosen the screws here, and that'll let you. So take those two screws out, then you can pull the drive back. But you want to disconnect it first. So see here, there's a power connector, which is the small one. And then there's a bigger connector that's the data connector. So you got to
unplug the power.
Yeah, so pull that back first. Just pull it straight back. That's straight back like this. See? And then this one's the same way. You just pull it straight back.
And pull it out.
All right, now you're taking those out. That should be loose. And you can slide it out. So there's different kinds of drives. So this one has 2 disk drives, but you can also slip in other kinds of drives into that if you need to. Like these, this is a SD card reader drive. And so they come out the same way.
Okay.
gotta do before you pull it out? What do you gotta do before you pull it out?
Oh, unplug it.
Mm-hmm. So does that one have,
Just
How many?
has the one cord, it looks like.
okay.
Ooh, did not feel good.
So it's usually better to unplug it before you unscrew it, but just pull it straight back.
It's gonna come out.
Yeah.
Use your man strength. Yeah, this one's very dusty. XD card. Very frail and thin. Put that back. Okay.
So what did you take off?
Top hard drive.
No, disk drive.
Disk drive, sorry. This hard drive.
That's a SD card reader drive.
Yeah, that's what I said. And
And manual, then the side panel.
yeah, the side.
But this here, this is the motherboard, and where all the, you know, the operation
Yeah.
happens. This is a hard drive right here. So the hard drive just
Here's a
mounts on the
fan,
side. That's a fan on the hard
there's
drive.
a fan. That's also a fan, and that is
Yeah,
also
this
a
fan cools that. This fan cools the whole thing.
This
and then
this fan blows cold
This is
air.
the power supply.
Yeah, this,
Yeah, all of them. All the fans blow cold air.
but it blows cold air, and this.
That's
one
why you gotta
blows
keep
some
them
cold air
clean
this
though,
way.
because if it's dirty,
It'll
then
throw-
it blocks
it'll-
blocks the cooling.
Yeah. Now I gotta put it back together.